Hello and welcome to our channel, where stories come to life. Today, we are about to uncover a mysterious tale from the heart of the Serengeti. Brace yourself for The Drum of Unity, a story where ancient rhythms and hidden powers will challenge a village's very survival. What secrets lie within the sacred drum, and how will it change the fate of Umoja? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thrilling adventures and unforgettable tales. Let's dive into the mystery. In the heart of the vast Serengeti, where the golden grasses roared like waves beneath the sky and the acacia trees stood tall and proud, lay the village of Umoja. Known for its vibrant culture and deep connection to the land, Umoja was a place where traditions were celebrated with great respect. The village thrived on the harmony between its people and the natural world around them. Central to the village's identity was the Drum of Unity, a sacred item given by the gods themselves. This drum was no ordinary instrument. It was crafted from the wood of the ancient baobab tree, and its surface was beautifully carved with symbols representing the spirits of the earth, the ancestors, and the sacred animals of the land. It was said that the drum's beats had the power to connect the living with the spiritual world and to bring peace and prosperity to the village. Each year, during the festival of the harvest, the villagers gathered around the Drum of Unity to celebrate the gift of the earth and to honor the ancestors. The festival was a grand affair, filled with music, dance, and feasting. The drum was the heart of the celebration, and its rhythms guided the festivities. One crisp autumn evening, as the festival preparations were underway, a stranger arrived at Umoja. He was a tall, distinguished man with a commanding presence. His name was Zai, and he was known across many lands as a master musician and storyteller. Dressed in rich, flowing robes and carrying a large sack, Zai attracted the attention of everyone in the village. The villagers greeted Zai with curiosity and warmth. They invited him to join the festival, and he accepted with enthusiasm. However, Zai's gaze was immediately drawn to the Drum of Unity, which was prominently displayed in the center of the village. His eyes gleamed with admiration as he approached the village chief. "Juma, I have heard tales of the Drum of Unity," Zai said, his voice rich and melodious. "It is said to possess great power and significance. May I have the honor of playing it during the festival?" Juma, a wise and respected elder with a deep understanding of the village's traditions, looked at Zai with a thoughtful expression. "The Drum of Unity is sacred to our people," he said. "It is played only by those who have been chosen by the ancestors. To play it is a great responsibility." Zai nodded respectfully. "I understand. My only wish is to honor the drum and the traditions of your people." Juma studied Zai for a moment before speaking. "If you can show your respect for our customs and your understanding of the drum's importance, you may have the opportunity to play it." The festival of the harvest was a celebration of life and abundance. The village was adorned with colorful decorations made from woven grasses and vibrant flowers. The aroma of roasting meat and freshly baked bread filled the air, mingling with the sweet scent of fruits and herbs. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the village, the festival began in earnest. Villagers danced in intricate patterns, their movements echoing the rhythms of the drum. Griots, the village's oral historians, told stories of the ancestors, weaving tales of bravery, wisdom, and unity. Zai observed the festival with great interest. He admired the grace of the dancers and listened intently to the stories told by the griots. He noticed how the drum's rhythms were woven into every part of the celebration, guiding the dances and inspiring the stories. When the time came for Zai to approach the drum, he did so with a deep sense of respect. He knelt before it, placing his hands gently on its surface, and closed his eyes in silent contemplation. He offered a prayer to the ancestors, seeking their blessing and guidance. The villagers watched in silence, impressed by Zai's respectful approach. Juma, who had observed Zai closely, saw the sincerity in his actions. "You have shown great respect for our traditions and for the Drum of Unity," Juma said. "You may now play the drum. Remember, its true power lies in the unity and harmony it fosters among our people." Zai took his place behind the drum and began to play. His hands moved with skill and precision, creating a rhythm that resonated through the village. The beats were rich and melodious, and the music seemed to carry the essence of the land and the spirit of the festival. As they played, the drum's magic began to unfold. The music seemed to blend seamlessly with the natural sounds of the Serengeti, the rustling of the grasses, the distant calls of wildlife, and the gentle flow of the river. The villagers felt a profound connection to their ancestors and to each other, as if the music was weaving a tapestry of unity and harmony. Just as the festival reached its peak, a sudden and fierce storm swept across the Serengeti. Dark clouds rolled in, and the wind howled with a force that threatened to disrupt the celebration. Lightning flashed across the sky, and heavy rain began to fall, drenching the villagers and their festivities. Panic swept through the crowd as they sought shelter from the storm. The once lively festival was overshadowed by the storm's intensity. Zoi, determined to uphold the spirit of the celebration, refused to abandon the drum. He continued to play, his rhythms reflecting the storm's power while seeking to calm its fury. The villagers, huddled in their shelters, could hear the drum's music through the storm. The sound was both soothing and powerful, a beacon of hope amidst the chaos. Juma, who had taken refuge with the villagers, emerged from his shelter and joined Zoi. Together, they played the drum, their rhythms merging to create a melody that resonated with the storm's energy. The music seemed to reach out to the storm, calming its rage and restoring a sense of balance. The wind's howl softened, and the rain's intensity lessened. As the first light of dawn broke through the clouds, the storm subsided, leaving behind a clear and tranquil sky. The villagers emerged from their shelters, astonished by the sight of the sun rising over their rejuvenated land. The festival spirit had endured through the storm, and the village was filled with a renewed sense of unity and resilience. Zai and Juma stood together, their hands resting on the drum. The villagers gathered around them, their faces illuminated by the morning light. They expressed their gratitude for Zai's unwavering dedication and the strength he had shown during the storm. "You have taught us a valuable lesson," Juma said to Zai. The true power of the drum of unity lies not only in its music but in the strength and unity it inspires among us. Zai smiled and bowed his head in appreciation. "It is the drum's magic and the spirit of your village that made this possible. Together, we have faced the storm and emerged stronger." As the years passed, the story of the festival of the harvest and the storm became a cherished part of Umoja's history. The drum of unity continued to be a symbol of peace and harmony, and its rhythms were heard at every important occasion. Zai's visit left a lasting impact on the village. The lessons he had taught about respect, unity, and resilience became integral to the village's traditions. The drum's magic was celebrated not only for its melodies but for the way it brought people together and inspired strength in the face of challenges. The villagers of Umoja carried the legacy of the drum of unity with them through the generations. They understood that true unity came from respecting their traditions, working together, and finding strength in their shared experiences. The drum's rhythms continued to guide their celebrations, and its beats were a reminder of their cultural heritage and the enduring spirit of their community. As the village flourished, the drum of unity was passed down through the generations, each new custodian learning the lessons of the past and honoring the traditions of their ancestors. The drum's music remained a source of inspiration and a symbol of the village's commitment to harmony and unity. In the heart of the Serengeti, where the golden grasses swayed beneath the sun and the acacia trees stood tall, the village of Umoja thrived, a testament to the enduring power of the drum of unity and the strength of a community united by its shared heritage. Generations later, the tale of Zoe and the storm became a beloved story told around the drum during the festival of the harvest. Children would gather around the elders to listen to the story of how the drum had bridged the gap between the spirit world and the living, and how the village had come together to face a challenge with strength and unity. The drum of unity was preserved with great care, its surface polished and its carvings maintained with reverence. The villagers continued to play it during every significant event, from weddings and births to moments of community reflection and celebration. Every beat of the drum was a reminder of the power of unity, and every rhythm carried the echoes of the past, weaving the legacy of the ancestors into the fabric of the present. The drum of unity remained a cherished symbol of Umoja, a beacon of hope and harmony that transcended time and connected generations. What did you think of the drum's mysterious magic and the village's incredible spirit? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating tales and adventures. Until next time, keep the spirit of unity alive in your own story.